Alright, so we got a Dexter top load washing machine that's got a lot of water underneath and it's leaking out on the floor. And I've opened up the front cover and you can see that it's dripping from the back of the tub. I think that maybe this is a rear main seal issue, except that turned off the power and the water, so there's no water as part of the cycle being put into the tub. And I took the top cover off, come around here to look at the back, and you can see that there is a stream of water right here coming from the bottom of the water valve. So I'll turn the water off and replace this valve. You can see it pretty. I didn't see that at first when I popped the machine open, because there was just dust and everything as it was running. But probably turns its, the leak probably, that little pinhole probably isn't as strong when there's water coming through the valves. So check that out.